How do I fix Windows blue screen during startup? Imagine your computer suddenly showing a bright blue screen when you try to turn it on. It can be startling, but don't worry. This blue screen, often called the blue screen of death, signals a serious problem that stops Windows from starting normally. When you see this, your first step is to try to get Windows into its automatic repair mode. To do this, turn on your PC, then hold down the power button to force it off. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. Windows will recognize the issue and launch automatic repair. Once it loads, choose Advanced Options. From there, select Startup Settings and Restart. When your PC restarts, press F to enter Safe Mode. Safe Mode starts Windows with only the essential drivers and services, making it easier to identify what's causing the problem. If Safe Mode loads successfully, look at recent changes. Uninstall any new software or updates that might have triggered the blue screen. You can do this through Settings under Windows Update or in the Apps section. Next, run the System File Checker tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator in Safe Mode and type SFC. This command scans your system files and repairs any corrupted ones. Follow the instructions that appear after the scan finishes. Hardware issues can also cause blue screens. Remove any new hardware you recently added and check that all internal cables are properly connected. You can also run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to test your RAM. Faulty memory is a common cause of startup blue screens. To do this, type Windows Memory Diagnostic into the search bar and follow the prompts. The test may take some time but can identify memory problems. If these steps don't fix the issue, try using Windows Startup Repair. Access this from the Advanced Startup menu. Startup Repair automatically scans your system and attempts to fix common boot problems. For more stubborn issues, repairing the boot configuration data can help. Open Command Prompt and enter commands like btrc and btrc to repair boot records. Be cautious with these commands, as they requiring some familiarity with system management. Keeping your device drivers and BIOS updated is also important. Outdated drivers can cause conflicts that lead to blue screens. Use manufacturer utilities or visit your PC maker's website to download the latest updates. Regular updates help maintain compatibility and stability. If nothing else works, restoring your system to an earlier point can undo recent changes that caused the problem. You can access System Restore from the Advanced Options menu. If the issue persists, a clean installation of Windows might be necessary, but this should be a last resort. Understanding how Windows boots helps explain why these errors happen. The process involves hardware initialization, loading system files, and driver management. When any of these steps fail, a blue screen appears. Other operating systems like macOS or Linux handle startup errors differently, often with their own recovery modes and tools. In summary, fixing a Windows blue screen during startup involves forcing automatic repair, booting into safe mode, uninstalling recent updates, running system scans, checking hardware, repairing boot records, updating drivers, and possibly restoring or reinstalling Windows. Each step is designed to identify and fix the root cause, helping your system run smoothly again.